Hi everyone, welcome back to Keto with Lee, your low carb lifestyle channel. Now today's episode will be a bit different. I found a product, company's name is Keto, and I'm excited to share this product with you. But before I do the review of this product, I want to take the time to share the reason this product came into existence. Now in August of 2011, Christoph, he was diagnosed with brain cancer, grade 4. That's just scary to even think about. And he was given approximately 15 months, basically 15 months to live. So basically someone that gets that type of brain cancer, right? You don't know when they can go. So he was told to go and enjoy life, right? As he says it, and I'm going to put his story, the link to a video interview that he had explaining his story, or telling his story, I should say. In the link below, I'll put that so that you can take a look at that. Excuse me. So yeah, he was given that bad news, right? So after a year of surgeries and chemotherapy, he began the ketogenic diet and fasting. Again, check out his story because this is amazing. To hear the story from the person, you know that this diet actually does cure diseases, but to actually hear a testimony is unbelievable. It's inspiring. After doing that, after he began the ketogenic diet and fasting, he was told by his doctors that his tumor had decreased in size and it was decreasing. So that is awesome, right? Because we have to starve the cancer, and one way of doing that is reducing your carb intake. So as of January 2014, he has been stable, and now he's able to actually enjoy his life with his family. So I thought that story is inspiring. It was inspiring, is inspiring. So I looked into their products, and I am going to begin taking these products here, which are typically bought together, right? So you got your instant keto. I'm going to describe what they all do. The keto carb blocker, and then you have the keto burn. So I'm going to show you what these look like, and I'm going to tell you what they do, and I'm going to tell you what's in them so that you are made aware. And you can check their website out. They have so many other products which are perfect for ketogenic and low carb dieters out there. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the the instant keto. So this is what it looks like here. Okay, so I'm going to read what the benefits are. It stimulates your metabolism of fat for energy. It supports nutritional ketosis, maintains brain cognition, right? So that brain fog you get. It boosts mental clarity. There you go, brain fog. And focus. It stimulates cellular energy, and it helps increase physical performance and endurance. So these products, they have a whole line of collagen and ketogenic products that are great for, like I said, the keto dieters out there, or the low carb dieters, people who are diabetic, who go through the different types of diseases. Okay, so we got diabetes, we got PCOS, there's so many more, guys, so many more. Do your research, obviously, do your research, but I'm just sharing what I found because these are amazing. So this will help you to, burn fat, like I said, that mental clarity, like the MCT oils. They help with energy as well. So this, you would take 2 capsules with 8 ounces of water daily. So just 2 of these. Now, what's in it, right? You want to know. So you got the BHBs, so the beta hydroxybutirates, right? So that's from calcium. Then they also have it from magnesium and from sodium. So that's all that's in here. This is going to help you get into ketosis. Now, I know that my keto police out there, they're going to say, oh, but your body does that naturally. Absolutely. However, someone like myself, I've noticed I've been on the diet for a little over a year. I want to say a little over a year and a half. I gotta check that. But I noticed a stall, a huge stall. And there's plenty of you out there that probably have as well. So what I've noticed is I have to adjust things in my diet. Maybe more protein. So I've been playing around with that. And I'm noticing changes. But these products are definitely going to be game changers. So here we have the Keto Carb Blocker. Now this, the benefits say, it helps to reduce carbohydrate absorption, right? This is great, I think, just as an example. As you're doing the ketogenic diet, it's perfect for that, low carb dieters as well. But for people who have diabetes, this is a great product right here, you know. And also, I hate to say it, but this is reality, you know, and there are going to be times that we do have a cheat meal here or there, because that's just life. It happens, right? So this would be great to take as well. In those instances, it will help us. It assists in offsetting cheat meal damage. Look at that. I didn't even know it had said that. Supports healthy weight loss, and it helps to boost fat burning metabolism. So this is great for that as well. So you take 2 of these daily as well, with obviously 8 ounces of water. And what is in it? So we have white kidney, green tea, and we have cinnamon. So there's no caffeine for those of you who are concerned about the products that have caffeine. This one does not have caffeine, neither does this one. Okay, and they are perfectly safe to take together. I'll show you what they all look like in a moment. This is the Keto Burn. Now the Keto Burn, it helps utilize fat for fuel. That's what keto is about, right? And boost your metabolism. It supports healthy weight loss. It aids in enhancing energy and your focus. So this again is great. Now this one does have some caffeine. It has white willow. It has bacopa money. Ooh, Lord, it's a whole plant of Bacopa monnieri. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It has Coleus forscoli. It's a root. I heard of that. Forskolin. It's a root. It does help with weight loss. And then it has the L-theanine. Lord have mercy. I do not know how to say these, but let's see if you can get a better look at that. Can you see that? All right. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these on my website as well. And I'll take pictures. It'll probably be after this video uploads. But I want to get you guys this info ASAP. So, all right. So opening this one so I could show you what they look like. I think they all look the same. They are in veggie capsules, I believe. Let me make sure. Obviously, if you're going to take these, please read the instructions and take them as instructed. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so you have the capsule, right, with the powder inside. All right, so that is the instant keto. You also have, let's see, the carb blocker. Let's see what these look like. I think they're all the same as I've mentioned before. If I just mentioned it, as I just mentioned it. Come on, man. Woo, I'm excited to try these, guys. I want to see results. Oh my goodness. Oh, where is it? Are these child proof? Or adult proof? There we go. Alright, so. Alright. Got that. Oh, these are a different color powder. So see that? And this is the carb blocker. Woo, I'm excited to take these. And I'm going to give you updates. I'm going to try and do it every week as I'm on this so that you have an idea of what to expect, right? Okay, this is a different color powder right here. See that? And this is your Keto Burn. It smells good, actually. It smells like the green tea. This is not, I'm sorry. It might be the White Willow. This one doesn't have the green tea. You can purchase these, excuse my mess. You can get these just click on the link below. I made it super easy and you will get 15% off. Now it is for a limited time. I'm going to put all that information in the description below. I'm going to sign off now. I just wanted to get that information out to you, you know? Maybe somebody you know that's going through different issues with their body, or they just want to lose weight, they want to get healthier. These products would definitely assist. And like I said, it's not just for keto. They have other products there that you can absolutely take advantage of to become a healthier you. Now, I do want to leave you with a quote from Christoph that says, listen to your body. We all have to do that, right? Keep adjusting and keep fighting. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again